to shoot in this canyon between those two big walls. And tonight I'm going to shoot with two cameras. I always shoot with two cameras, and I keep being asked, why do you shoot with two cameras? Three reasons. One is to be able to take pictures and to film at the same time. This is how I make these videos anyways. The second reason is to get a different focal length, so sometimes I will have a close-up and a super wide angle. And third reason, and this is what we're doing tonight, vertical shots. Life is full of mysteries. This used to be a river, and now it's a bed. As it's not too dark to shoot with the sky, we're going to focus on the rocks themselves. So we're going to a very narrow spot and trying to make some magic with tubes. T'es-tu pogné en pause?
Non.